Cloud's dumb. Cloud's dumb. You can break AI down basically into like there's like five tiers, right? Like at the base level you have like electricity and data centers and land and like things like that. Tier 2 are like TSMC, ASML, Samsung, Intel, right? Fabs, NVIDIA, AMD, OpenAI, Anthropic, and then on top you have like completely worthless things like Cursor and Windsurf. These character AI, all these people who think, oh, we're the app, we're gonna get the ARR. No, that worked in the web, it won't work for AI, and I can go into why, but it's kind of boring.
I want to hear why.
Keep going. Keep going.
Basically, okay, so like here's the difference between AI and web. When you want to run a service like Gmail, one server can serve 10,000 people easily. Right, and there's no demand for like better Gmail, right? It's not like I can click and get like, yeah, you can buy Gmail Pro, it'll have a few things, but most people don't really care, right? There's no limit to the ceiling of how good you want your AI to be, right? Or how fast you want your AI to be. Maybe there's a limit to the speed, but like when you're at like 1,000 tokens per second, I want the biggest model in the world, right? Like, so there's very little limit on that. But suddenly you can't serve 10,000 users from one server anymore, right? And the whole dynamics of the web, the whole reason some of the value aggregated to these end players, and they still didn't aggregate to the Cursor and the Windsurfs. They aggregated to the OpenAI and the Anthropics, right? Nobody who built like an email client survived. They all got eaten up by the tier 4s of the web, right? The Googles, the Facebooks, all of these like app providers, right? Where's a Zynga today, you know? Like this already happened, right? People just don't, where's Zynga? Oh, Zynga's going to be the next thing, man. Like, no, it's not. Facebook ate all of that value. Right? Google ate all of the value from all the people building on top of Google. So the tier 4s ate all that value.
Yeah. So
OpenAI, Anthropic will eat all the value from the Cursors and the Windsurfs of the world. They'll acquire some of them. They'll compete with some of them, right? Same as you saw on the web. But I argue that the tier 4s aren't even going to have value because the tier 4s this ain't the web. This ain't where you can have one server serve lots and lots and lots of people. You know, I'm running O3. You know how much I cost OpenAI every month? I pay the $200 a month, and I cost them a lot more than that. Codex. You can now click on Codex. Yeah, spin up 4 nodes. Yeah, why would I not click 4? It's not my computer.
Ramp. Time is money. Save both. Go to ramp.com.